What if I told you that you could turn one pivot table into 50, covering every single state, region, or category in your data in literally one click? I'm going to show you exactly how right now. Today, we are diving into one of the most underrated features in Excel, a hidden trick inside pivot tables that lets you automatically generate a separate pivot table for every unique value in a field. I'm talking about show report filter pages, and once you see it, you'll wonder how you ever lived without it. I've got a candy store data set here, sales data across different stores, states, regions, and store types. Let's go. First things first, you have to create a table. Pivot tables cannot function without tables. So I'll click cell A1, then Control Shift right, then Control Shift down. So now we highlighted the entire data set, then Control T, mark the headers as rows. Now your table is ready. Next, click anywhere inside the table and head up to the Insert tab. I'll click Pivot Table and hit OK. Excel drops me into a fresh pivot table on a new sheet. Now I'll build something simple. I'll drag the candy store name into the rows area and monthly sales into values, a basic summary table. This works for any data you're working with. Just swap in whatever field makes sense for your situation. Here's where the magic happens, and this is one thing most people skip entirely. In the pivot table fields pane, I'm going to drag state or whatever field I want to split by up into the filters area at the top. You'll see a filter appear right above your pivot table. At this point, it's just one pivot table with a drop down, pretty standard, but we are not stopping there. Now, with your cursor anywhere inside the pivot table, head up to the Pivot Table Analyze tab in the ribbon, find the Options drop down, click that little arrow next to it, and look for Show Report Filter Pages. A small dialog pops up. Since we put state in our filters area, that's what it shows. I'll click OK. And boom, watch the bottom of your screen. Excel has just created a completely separate worksheet with its own fully functional pivot table for every single state in the dataset. Alabama, Arizona, California, all the way through. Each one is already filtered to just the state's data. Think about what this means in practice. If you're building monthly reports for 30 regional managers, you don't need to manually create and filter 30 pivot tables. You build one, you run this, done in seconds. And because each tab is a real pivot table, not just a static copy, you can still interact with them. So you can drill down, change the layout so differently they are fully live. And remember one thing, the field you put in the filters determines what gets split out. It could be anything: region, store type, product category, representative name, whatever dimension you need. The process is the same. And as simple as that. If this saved you some time, drop a like on the video. It genuinely helps the channel. If you want more Excel tips like this, subscribe and hit the bell icon so you don't miss them. I'll see you in the next one.